Hello everybody, it's James Shoemark here again. I'm the CEO and co-founder of the Startup Race, and we organise the Angel Investor Meetup groups here in Scotland, and I'm very happy that Paul Atkinson is our guest speaker on Tuesday the 24th of March. So I hope this is just a little teaser interview. I hope you'll come along and meet Paul and hear more about the Power Equity story. So maybe we can actually start off with your background, Paul, and how you got into angel investing. Do you want to tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, I've got a kind of reasonably long career before Power Equity, building companies in the recruitment sector. I sold my first company in 1999 and shortly followed by a second company in 2000, and that gave me the opportunity and the capital to start investing in other people's private companies. I did after 10 years of that, between 98, 99, 2008, invested in 16 companies, a number of successful investments, including Rockella, Mobica, and one or two others. And then decided, I'd been investing with a small group of private investors and decided to scale that up with the foundation of Power Equity in 2008.
Okay, cool. And what does the name Power Equity mean?
Power is equals, and we treat all our investors and our portfolio companies equally.
Okay, so it's not a golf term then?
No, it's not a golf term. In fact, none of us play golf.
Yeah, well, I'm glad that's been cleared up. I've often wondered, but that's a great soundbite in the name of the company, and it makes it very attractive to people who want to join Power Equity. Yeah. And so you were acting as an independent originally, and then you started investing with some friends, but now you're in a syndicate. What's the benefit of being in a syndicate?
There's quite a number of benefits. Over the last 11 years, we've invested over 150 million into close to 60 companies. We've had 18 exits from that in the 11 years, and that's pretty important to recycle money. So we've returned more money to our investors than we've actually deployed. Now it's been made possible by a few things. One, we have a very active group of investors, probably roughly 200, who will not only invest in companies but help with diligence on the way into investments, bring deal flow. So we see 800 business plans a year roughly. That's really not possible as an individual angel. We've got a full-time team of 16 people who vet these deals, run the diligence, manage all the legal transaction side of it, and make sure we get the right terms when we invest. And then most of these companies we invest in will require a number of follow-on rounds before they're eventually successful. And that's difficult for an individual angel investor to do. And we also, alongside the Angel Syndicate, have a very active EIS fund, which we distribute through wealth managers and IFAs, such as Tony, Brown Shipley and so on. And again, that helps de-risk it for the individual angel investors, because we have a kind of discretionary source of funding as well to sit alongside that. And we also have Scottish Investment Bank. We're probably the most active partner with Scottish Investment Bank in the Scottish scene.
Wow, fantastic. And you got some nice awards here as well.
Yeah, so there's a couple of these awards were for our investment in a business called ICS Learn, which is a fairly recent exit, and actually in total was a 76 times return on money in about 5 years.
Wow. So
you can probably imagine our angel investors in that deal were pretty happy.
And did you think it would be that big when you first invested in them?
No, and we knew there was a good opportunity because we got into the deal at quite a low valuation, but we had no idea it was going to be that kind of scale of return at the time. I mean, on average, we're looking to return three plus money on money, which we're achieving. So of the 18 exits so far, we've generated a 27% compound rate of return, which equates to about roughly just over 3 times money back on the exit so far.
Wow! So
before tax breaks.
Yeah, and of course those are the benefits for investors as well. Is they can benefit from SEIS and EIS. Yeah. Well, thanks, Paul. It's very interesting. I hope you'll come and hear more from Paul and about Power Equity and some of the stories that they have. And again, it's on the 24th, the Tuesday, the 24th of March at 6 o'clock in Casanova Capital. So get a ticket.
Yep, I look forward to seeing you then.
Okay, great. Thanks, Paul. Appreciate it.